Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll go over how to draft expert disclosures. This is also part of discovery. Please watch the video to the end and let me know if you have any comments or if these videos help you in any way. I would appreciate that very much. So by this time, you have already retained an expert, and the expert has provided you with their report. Now you will serve the report on all the parties. Please review your state rules and your scheduling order or your discovery plan for deadlines. So, the purpose of expert disclosures is to let the other side know which experts your office plans to use at trial. And this helps avoid surprises and gives everyone an opportunity to prepare adequately. So, once your experts are disclosed, the opposing parties can decide whether they want to take your expert's deposition. So, overall, the disclosure explains who the expert is, what they are qualified to testify about, what their opinions will offer, and what information or materials they relied upon. So, the first thing to do is you will open a copy of your expert's report, as you will need it to enter his information. Also, open a copy of your initial disclosures, which you should have already done at the beginning. So, the first page, as you know, you will enter your attorney's information, the names of the parties, the name of the court, case number, department number, and the title of the document. As you can see, the first paragraph identifies the parties and what it is that you are serving. The first section goes straight to the expert, so enter the expert's name, address, and phone number. As you can see in this first paragraph, you will enter your information, detailed information regarding your expert. In this case, this is a personal injury case, and this talks about the expert being board certified. It also lets the other parties know what this expert will testify regarding. Okay, read these paragraphs, and you can edit them as necessary. The highlighted text informs the parties that your expert's report is attached as an exhibit and that their CV, fee schedule, and testimony list are also attached as an exhibit. So you will need to have all these documents ready prior to serving your disclosures. So add as many experts as you have, as well as a detailed explanation regarding the expert. Okay. Again, make sure you have all your attachments ready, your exhibits. The next section will be regarding the plaintiff's providers. This happens to be a personal injury case example that I'm giving you. So, again, you will give an explanation regarding what this provider will testify regarding. Okay, you will also need a copy of their CV and fee schedule and testimony list to attach. Okay, so add as many providers as you have to this list and enter their information. And this is basically, this is it for this. The following paragraphs are standard paragraphs, just legal stuff. So read it and see if this helps you in any way. Okay, date it, sign your attorney's name, complete the certificate of service, and then make sure you serve the disclosures by the deadline. Again, check your scheduling order, your discovery plan, and your state rules. Thank you for watching. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if this